Let's take an example, accounts payable invoice. It got captured in several ways. So we received it in paper, it was scanned. We received it as attachment in email, it came such way. It came from EDI, maybe with some partners. So there are multiple ways how the information was captured and born and ingested into our organization. We classified it, yep, it's accounts payable. So it triggered a process, it was stored in specific location, appropriate access controls are enforced, life cycle in place, meaning that, for example, we'll keep it for 5 years after the status of the invoice has changed to paid, because we have the regulatory saying, here you will have an audit and you might need to prove this evidence. So throughout the life cycle, this data should be discovered, found by people who need to, and we need to archive it, to preserve it according to the life cycles. And when those life cycles finish of the specific information, responsible people get notification, hey, we don't have a legal obligation to keep this information. Should we delete it or justify why we keep it? This can, of course, be also automated discipline, but think this direction throughout whole life cycle. I gave you an example of accounts payable, but think any department, any business process, there is information used and generated throughout those processes, because content fuels business process. And to make it smooth, think how you can improve this whole life cycle.